So hello, my name's Jibby, and we're doing questions of what is your 3 greatest fears. And we're gonna go around here and see what we can get from the Filipino community of here, near, and Makati. Alright? Come with me. Sir, ano yung pinaka-nakakatakot sa'yo na 3 bagay in less than 30 seconds?
Ayan, syempre multo.
Multo, okay.
Syempre, yung mga accident, ayan.
Accident.
And then, ipis.
Go!
Mouse,
Mouse.
heights,
Ay, okay, 20 seconds na lang.
tsaka car.
Ayun, yung mga hold-upper, ganun.
Hold up. Hold upper. Ano pa?
Mga agaw-armas.
Agaw, armas.
Oh.
Ano pa?
Tapos yung mga, mga guns na papasukin ng building, ganun.
Snakes or anything like any animal that crawls, that looks slimy, slipping on wet floor when it's raining.
Daga.
Ano pa?
Multo.
Multo.
Snow White.
Snow White.
Snakes,
Snakes, okay.
heights,
Tama.
and then terrorists.
Terrorist.
Okay, moths. Open water. Drowning.
I'm afraid I'm rejected. Yeah, fear.
Spiders.
Spiders?
Spider is good.
Yeah, I think heights.
Hi.
I don't like heights. Okay, having a disease maybe. Fine. Number 3, I fear of falling away from God.
Oh.
That's really my number 1.
Fear of heights, fear of going on the elevator alone, and fear of going on a cinema alone.
Height and worms. Mouse.
Mouse.
Being alone.
Losing my family.
Feeling. Death.
Mabuntis.
Mambubuntis. Good job.
Not being able to graduate.
Ah, good job.
Losing someone.
Using romantic.
Missing someone.
Ising. Oh! Mga emo.
Same thing.
Same thing. Ala. Ikaw.
Walang boylet.
Walang boylet. Relationship. Naka-experience ka na bang multa dito?
Ay, dito, marami dyan sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko pa naman totally na-experience, pero sa kwento, natatakot pa lang ako.
Sa kwento. Bakit Snow White?
Kasi masyadong maputi yung mukha niya, and then
Snow White sa Disneyland or nakita mo ka bang Snow White dito sa labas?
talagang multo siya. Kasi nakikita sa balatan.
So, yung mga white lady, mga ganon. Sa mouse, ano po yung nangyari doon? May na-experience ba kayong nagkagat sa inyo ba? Sa paa nyo?
Wala naman, pero hindi ko lang siya mapapatay kasi. Unlike kasi pag sa ipis, pwede mo siyang...
Patayin ka agad. Experience ka bang terrorist?
No, hold up.
Ma-hold up. Oh, naka-experience ka ba na hold up one time?
Kunyari, entertainin ako, tapos yung pala, agawan kami ng armas, ganun.
Ganon. Okay. Meron ba kayong mga maliit na bagay na nakakatakot? Like mga ipis or mga heights, may ibang
Wala akong kinakatakutan, kundi yun lang.
Ganon talaga. But education.
Kasi education is the key to the future.
Laks. Pwede kayo magpakita na yung pinaka-scared face nyo ba sa camera natin?
Scared.
Oo, ready? In 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3. 3. In 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Three. Oh my gosh, I'm scared.